In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Pinterest Ads Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can create campaigns or check performance without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser on a desktop or laptop for the smoothest experience. In the address bar or a search engine, type Pinterest Ads. You can also go directly to the official Pinterest domain, such as the business or ads page, but searching is perfectly fine if you're not sure of the exact URL. From the search results, choose the official Pinterest link. Look for the secure padlock icon and make sure the domain clearly belongs to Pinterest. Avoid third-party tutorials or ads in the results for now. Your goal is to land on Pinterest's own page that leads into ads tools. If you're not already signed in, Pinterest will prompt you to log in. Enter your account credentials and complete any verification steps. To access Ads Manager, you'll need to be using a Pinterest business account. If you're on a personal account, Pinterest may invite you to convert or create a business profile. Follow the on-screen prompts if that applies to you. If you manage multiple profiles, confirm you're in the correct account you want to advertise from before proceeding. Once you're in Pinterest, look to the top left corner of the page for the hamburger menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines. Click that icon to open the main navigation. On narrower screens, this icon is even more important because it condenses the menu, so if you don't see a full navigation bar, the hamburger icon is your doorway. In the menu, find the section labeled Ads or sometimes Manage Campaigns, depending on your interface. Under that section, you'll see options like Ad Reporting and Create Campaign. Clicking Create Campaign takes you directly into the campaign setup flow inside Ads Manager. Selecting Ad Reporting opens the reporting views in Ads Manager so you can review metrics, filter by dates, and export results. Either option places you inside the Ads Manager interface. That's it. You've successfully accessed Pinterest Ads Manager. If this is your first time, you might see a brief onboarding or a simplified view until you start creating ads. Consider bookmarking this page in your browser so you can get back to it quickly. And if you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're done. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to navigate straight to Ads Manager, whether you want to launch a new campaign or analyze performance with confidence.